Do you hear that? It's the sound of a silent thief, a ghost in the machine of your bank account that is systematically draining your future. If you are over 30, you have spent the last decade or more trading your life for a paycheck. You've been a loyal soldier to the system. But here is the brutal, unfiltered truth. Most experts are parasites. They use complicated jargon and flashy marketing to lure you into funds with high fees. These fees seem small at 1%, but over a career, they steal hundreds of thousands from your retirement. They take your freedom for their yachts. Today, as your mentor in this journey of evolutive, productive, I am here to put a stop to the bleeding and show you the path to liberation. The path to becoming a millionaire isn't paved with complex alpha strategies. It is paved with the most powerful low-cost engines ever created. Vanguard ETFs. Imagine waking up 20 years from today and realizing you have an extra $300,000 just from the money you didn't pay in fees. In 2026, your ability to minimize costs is your greatest competitive advantage. This isn't just about saving money. It's about the mathematical certainty of your liberation. I am giving you the 3 specific Vanguard engines that will turn your labor into a $1 million fortress. This is the Millionaire blueprint for wise investors. Why Vanguard? Because the investors own the company. When you buy a Vanguard ETF, you are a partial owner of the firm itself. While Wall Street giants maximize their profits from you, Vanguard is designed to maximize profits for you. Every dollar saved compounds for you immediately. The first engine of your $1 million liberation is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, or VOO. It remains the ultimate productive powerhouse in 2026. When you buy VOO, you partner with the 500 most profitable companies. You own the giants of AI healthcare and the global supply chain. The expense ratio is 0.03%. For every $10,000, Vanguard only takes $3 a year. It's the closest thing to a financial miracle. VOO captures the upward trajectory of human progress. As these companies innovate and expand, your wealth will grow with them, unencumbered by parasitic fees. But we need an extra kick to retire early. That is why your second engine is the Vanguard Information Technology ETF, or VGT. VGT gives you exposure to the masters of software, the companies like Nvidia, Apple, and Microsoft that are currently rewriting the rules of human existence. With an expense ratio of 0.10%, you are getting elite growth for a fraction of what a tech-focused mutual fund would charge you. Let's take a necessary pause. You aren't just investing. You are engaging in a radical act of self-reliance. You are an architect of your destiny. If you are ready to reclaim your life, subscribe right now. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our weekly Millionaire blueprints. Hit the like button and type Millionaire in the comments. Let the world know that you are moving from a laborer to a capitalist. Now, let's look at the third engine. The quality shield for your retirement. The Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF, or VIG. VIG buys the elite growers companies that have a track record of increasing dividends for 10 consecutive years. These companies have real pricing power. With an expense ratio of 0.06%, VIG gives you a basket of the most resilient businesses. It is your sleep well at night portion. By combining the power of VOO, the growth of VGT, and the defensive quality of VAG, you are creating an unbreakable productive trinity. So, how do you execute? Ignore the noise. Set up a recurring transfer from your bank account to these 3 titans every time you get paid. 50% in VOO for American dominance, 25% in VGT for AI-era growth, 25% in VIG for the stability that preserves your wealth. When the market drops, you aren't losing money, you are buying your $1 million future at a discount. You are an evolutive investor. Close your eyes and imagine your life when that account hits 7 figures. You've spent years being disciplined and letting the big 3 grind. You feel a sense of power and peace that is so deep it's almost spiritual. You aren't just a worker anymore. You are a millionaire sovereign. Freedom isn't a gift from the government. It is a conquest achieved through ownership. Throughout 2026, the gap will become an abyss. Don't let another year go by as a save mode worker. Become an own mode sovereign by the VOO, the VGT, and the... This is the first day of your new $1 million life. This is evolutive, productive. Stay focused. Stay sovereign. Evolve.